Tell us if you come out. Should I tell her? Thank you.
Oh, we're recording? I did not realize.
I never remember either.
Oh.
We don't see people like that all the time.
What?
What that lady just
Oh,
it
yeah,
was very
for real,
simple, but that was a good gesture. Like somebody on a walk foot, guys. I walk with somebody. Come
Oh, they're not that far away, so it's fine. We can't go. We can just road.
Like, yeah, I just opened it up fully. So, I mean, the skies, them kind of look bleaky right now, but I don't mind the clouds. Once no rain, no fall, no lightning, all of that. And my voice sounds a little better. See, this gentleman over here was kind of cheering me earlier.
Oh, that car is really slowing them down.
Yeah, he's going very slow. It probably would have been a good idea to allow him to back around.
That's what I was doing, but that's
yes, but then you realized they were right there. Yeah. I was gonna say if you wanted to stop here and make him go around.
No, stop it. Yeah. Right near the exit. Alright, so we are on the road today. Notice I am not traveling in what I would normally travel in. Things, or there has been a change. I made a change for family reasons. We have Sarah O'Neill here and Dane inside as well. And then we have Mr. Bestman himself. Mr. Bestman himself. We are all on the road today. Mr. Bestman is rolling by himself.
I know, right?
And no music.
Oh no, I have a Bluetooth speaker.
Oh, you have your speaker, so you're good.
Bluetooth speaker.
He has a Bluetooth speaker in the car because the stereo. It's a story. It's a story. But yeah, Yannick is in the bus, not wanting to come out, probably hiding from the sun. But yeah, we are just doing. It's not really a road trip, but based on the fact that Dane and Anila are traveling from Ocho Rios, then I guess in some sense it would be a road trip. But if you have clicked on our video, thank you very much for joining. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. We are going to try to have as much fun today as possible and get some stuff done as well. So, see you shortly. Alright, so we are on the way to Lucea. Like I said, it's not a very it's not a very long road trip. Really and truly just going to Lucea, get a few things done and then head to La Beach, which is a beach that I said earlier is a very underrated beach. But yeah,
it's really nice. It's not like, I mean, for those of you who've been to Negril, I guess you can say it's similar to, it's just not that long, you know, so we consider that luxury. Yes. And I think only Western Jamaica really have these beaches, so yeah.
and like I had pointed out, it's clear to see we're in a different vehicle now. For reasons beyond my control, I had to sell my car. And before selling it, in my mind, all I wanted was a hybrid car, which is a car that it doesn't use a lot of gas. And that's really what I wanted. But after the wedding, after the marriage, after the union, I just really started looking at things just a bit differently. And I just decided to get a vehicle that can carry Yannick and I and the triplets that haven't been made as yet.
We don't know
but yeah,
that.
that's my reason for getting this vehicle. And it's multi-purpose as well. Yeah, so I have 3 rows of seats. If we were supposed to have more persons with us today, and it would have carried those persons with relative ease. So that's really and truly the reason that, some of the reasons.
We can do road trips with friends and, you know, everybody can come in and out.
Carpool, pretty much.
Yeah.
So, yeah, those were factors that that pushed me towards getting this particular vehicle. Okay.
Ooh, what did you get?
So yeah, so we're on the road. Thank you for joining again. Here we go.
So we are here. We're gonna show y'all where we're at, what the beach looks like. The sun kind of gone in. It's cloudy day. Well, it turning out to be a cloudy day. Rena's outside, as you guys can see in the background. They're around there, guys. They're talking about their stuff. But we are finally here, and oh, my voice seems to be coming back, but I don't know. Yeah, so we're just here. Come with us. Showing the nice little beach house and stuff.
So really, Anthony, she give me all of this as silver. We just gear it back at the end of the game. You know where I'm going.
How much time could I buy room? Well, guess what?
Alright, so we are there. Me not having a shirt as always. Me not having a shirt as always. We are all here ready to take a dip after we run some Ludi and thing. So yeah.
You know, check. Them something like tattoo, no piercing.
I'm ready, the man. Go to
Wanna drink alcohol with that? Probably run out, probably drink.
We taking a rum cream every now and then. Yeah, because me genuinely lightheaded. So we're walking to the beach and then Claude down just by himself. Because it take long for change, I feel fault. Only and then don't care no change of clothes for going in water. But yeah, we're just gonna make a little day of it.
Very, very green.
No grip for wine? No grip for Yankees? No grip. No grip. No grip for Yankee. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. One decent little spot, man.
Brother, you know, you could have just made for what? Don't get the other part, the right part.
I'm sorry if we are disturbing the session, you people in the water, but that's how you go.
One next section would steer.
No, you're good, man. You reached down already, man.
So, you are right.
Meanwhile, I'm always in my beach shoes. Always. No matter where. Watch out, Daddy. Papa! You know, see me, there. We just drive through and we're in the plan to stop up there when I come back up. Hey. Yeah. We just come and do some stuff and take a swim and so. Yeah, man, we just gotta take a dip. So I gotta take a dip.
I'm gonna go back up and go eat.
I'm not sure yet. We need to figure out that part there. Woo! Huh? Look, mama. Oh. Most of them. Like they've been infused. Cold start switch.
I must see that. Line there, I must see there.
I don't know where they, but a cold start switch.
That makes my fear push start most every morning. I want to finish this.
Woo! Alright.
I'll be black.
Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. No, can't do this on pause. Alright, so after a few dips, a lot of dips for her, we are back on the move. Heading to pick up some stuff. We have Claude, Anelia, and Dane traveling behind us. Like, I said it earlier in the video that the beach is an underrated beach. It's called Bullsby and Lucea. I'm telling you, like, a lot of top beaches don't compare to it. And especially on days, which happens very often, by the way, on days like today when the water is so clean.
The water is usually very
It is.
like all the time.
So yeah, we did this video, Mike. I don't know when this video is getting posted, but we did a live stream the other night, and it's something that we want to try to do. Yeah, once a week or once every other week. Just have relationship talks or just talks in general.
General conversation.
Yeah, general conversation, general topics, and just have our viewers participate as well. But yeah, it was good. Had persons, because I've had persons at work reach out to me and say, you know, they liked it and whatever. But the funny thing is they didn't comment or anything, ask us any question. And that's kind of part of the reason we do it, to get, you know, conversation.
Persons to converse. Yeah. Big thank you to those who joined us on that live. We had Kimmy and Sharoni on YouTube.
Camaria as well was there.
Camaria was there. Thank you guys so much. On IG, we also had Shauna, we had Shayan, we had Danella,
Malik,
Esenia. We had, I'm trying to remember some of the names that came on there.
Dane was on there as well.
Danella and Danielle.
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember all the names. Shauna, thank you so much for all the questions that you asked, you know, keeping
wrong turn
the engagement up. Thank you so much. I'm making a turn. I almost made the wrong turn just now. Literally.
Go for it.
I'm just eating pistachios, don't mind me. Don't mind me.
Did I wonder what happened? Why this fell off like a road?
Man.
Come on.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Man, get ready for go for the walk. You see?
Alright, sir. That's a pass through. That's a pass through. Yeah, man. It's been a little minute since we went out and just had just like a chill day and had a lot of other folks around. We were supposed to have one last week, however it didn't work out. We were gonna have a picnic and do a live stream. It didn't work out, but we're still gonna do that because where we wanted to go was quite close. So yeah, we're gonna do that another time. Yeah, we're certainly gonna do that another time. The tint in the vehicle looks so light from the inside, but one next layer. I like my privacy, you know. I like my privacy. But as we were saying, thank you very much the persons who joined in on the live. We really appreciate it, and we're gonna try to continue doing it, and hopefully more and more persons can join in and we have some wonderful discussions. We said it on the live that we're not professionals at relationships or whatever, or at relationships, but we have a lot of experience. We've been together since 2010, so we have a lot of experience, and we've both done things wrong, and we just want to help out anybody or give advice, tips. You never know, you can say a small thing and help give somebody a lot of pointers and help them in a situation that they're in. Yeah. Are we still recording? We are trying to get some food. That is what we're trying to do. And we are at, oh, they lick me on my head. We are at Peppe Monte. So, I don't know. So we're there at Peppe Monte. We're going to try to get a quick bite to eat if it's possible. And head back on the road because Dana and Anila need to go back at Ochi. So, yeah. Good jerk chicken.
Yo, check with the sauce. Check the sauce.
I'm afraid I ate. Oh, I can't get. You can go get some. Well, if you. Oh, wait, a leg. Sasap. Enough? 5. Oh.
What? The food is enough? Are the food is enough too?
Yeah.
No, that the party. That make
Alright, so it's time for a little bit of taste test. I mean, who taste test a rice or taste test, well, rice, but I mean, it's very easy to spoil rice, so taste test. And because my wife can really cook rice, the rice is good though. It is good.
It's really not.
Now to the pièce de résistance, the chicken.
The what?
The chicken, pièce de résistance.
The what kind of resistance?
Pièce de résistance. Don't know, me speak French. You only know say sound French.
By the way, I'm here because
Reduce breast.
level that I'm trying to.
Yeah. It's just breast. I don't like breast, but for jerk chicken or big chicken, I will eat the breast.
You taste the sauce?
And it's just good. Everybody that tell me if you taste the sauce, I know what to go kick me. I'm soon find out. Sauce time.
Oh, basically just go on 1 minute. You know that? What are you doing now?
Put the rest right in your mouth. Put the rest right in your mouth.
I have a straight pepper. Oh my god. Let me do it again. I have a straight pepper.
The person who does not like pepper is doing that?
Yo, you get rid.
It's good though. It's good. No, like me feel like me taste the pepper before me even put it in my mouth.
Does that make any sense? He's recording us, recording him.
Should I carry the bucket of water there? So, food nice. This place is on our list to come and our place, really and truly, it's our place. We come here so often, not often enough, but very often, and the food good. And we have to do a proper visit one day and do our restaurant review on this place because food is good, vibes is good, and yeah. So we're here right now. We're finishing up. We're gonna head back on the road and pick something up.
Bye, Mama.
And so I mean, somebody too. You can't call to me too. So yeah, we're just gonna pick something up, head back on the road. It is, what time is it now? It's a time. I think it's after 5 now. So we're just gonna head back on the road. It's 6?
5 to 6.
5 minutes to 6. So we'll go head back on the road, pick up something, one last thing, and head home. And O'Neil and Dana are going back to Ochi. So yeah, they did leave at 5, but then they come late. So yeah, them done did figure so them are gonna leave a certain time. But yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a relaxing day. It's been cool. I love going out with Yannick, but I also love us having company and making an even better experience. So yeah, it's a different vibe. If I heard her, so it's a different vibe. I love that. So see you in a bit. Just love these lights, and these have to go wherever I settle or wherever we get to call home. These lights have to be on there. Good morning.
Morning, folks. Good morning, guys. All right, so we did a video that we didn't get the chance to finish because of an incident. The day didn't quite end how we anticipated, but we are grateful because it could have been worse. And no, we're not sick. We're good. We're good. So we're grateful, right? So hopefully by the end of the video, if you're watching this part, it means that you would have watched our fun-filled day at the beach. As Renai said in the in that video, he thinks the beach is underrated.
I definitely think the beach is underrated. But yeah, if you watched everything and watching this right now, we really appreciate it.
Yes.
And yes, there was an incident, but we are not gonna let that incident stop or block our view on what was a pretty good day, and a day that we hope to repeat quite soon, minus the incident. So yeah. So this is the end of the video.
This is it. Thank you guys so much. Remember to subscribe. We're seeing persons who are watching the videos and you guys are still not subscribed. Remember to hit the subscription button. Like the videos, comment on the videos.
We miss your comments.
Share the videos. Yeah. Like ghost town in the comments. I mean, I know we took a hiatus, but
reasons.
We're back. We're back. And we
have videos coming.
I know I'm a goon, much like him. Blame it on him. Anyways, once again, thank you guys, and have a great day. Have a great weekend whenever you get to watch this. Take care of yourselves and stay safe out there.
Goodbye.
Bye.